If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Solana video update. Right, so continuing on from yesterday's video where I left you, Solana is trading at 23.65. Now there's one thing I want to tell you. A lot of altcoins are breaking their downtrend. A lot of them are doing. Number one, if you speak about Jasmy is breaking the downtrend right now. On a higher time frame, if I do zoom out like this, there was a downtrend here for Jasmy. You can see very clearly. You actually broke out of it some few days ago. If I show you another coin which is SOP as well, look at SOP. It actually ended up breaking the downtrend and you start to move to the upside. Which coin? Dogecoin, right? So Dogecoin also broke the downtrend. So here's a very big channel which was actually moving down and you actually broke the downtrend. You made an ABC correction. Watch the update on the channel if you want to. So for Solana, I actually want to give you a follow-up video from yesterday. Number one, of course, this is not a financial advice video. You know, it's never going to be, and these are going to be educational and chart reading videos. So here we are. You're actually boiling up for Solana right over here. You can actually even end up making some sort of a continuation right over there. Yesterday we didn't have this when I made the video. Now you have it. Now you're going to have some little bit of a continuation pattern. And if we talk about this continuation pattern, then it depends on the breakout. So I'm giving you this update on time at 23.65. I'm not telling anyone to sell or buy, but this is for the people who know how to trade. That if you somehow for Solana try to break above, you know, again, $25 and you break $25, you backtest it, and you know, you don't go below from that point onwards. If you go to $25 and you stay above 22.46, then you're looking for a huge $34 for Solana, which is actually going to be a price increase again of 42%. And speaking of 42%, you have you know, if you do that, then you really break the downtrend. You break the downtrend and you have bigger chances of even moving all the way up to $89.19 in the future as well. Now this is a big resistance right here because that's the you know, neckline of this huge head and shoulders again. But if you're going to break it, you see, if you do come up to 33, you're going to break that neckline of this huge head and shoulder as well. And that's why I'm saying from here onwards you can actually start to move to the upside. You break the downtrend, you break the inverse head and shoulder neckline, you don't have a threat to move to $4, and that's it. You bottom out and then continue to the upside. So that's pretty much it for this update on Solana right now. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.